I am Trisha Gupta of Standard 8 SPD International School, Bhadrak, Odisha. I am going to share a video message on the topic My Father, My Hero. I am going to describe some slokas that say about father. Pita Swargaha, Pita Dharmaha, Pita Paramang Tapaha, Pitari Pritima Pane Sarvaha, Priyanti Devataha. This sloka means my father is my heaven, my father is my dharma. He is the ultimate penance of my life. If he is happy, all the deities are pleased. The second sloka is Janakaksho Paneta Cha Yascha Vidyang Prayashchati Annadata Bhayatrata Pashyate Pitira Smata. This sloka means the one who gives birth, the one who initiates, the one who imparts knowledge, the one who provides food, and the one who protects from fear. The Niti Shastra depicts 5 qualities of a father. These 5 qualities are considered as father. The times we live in, we will always find these 5 qualities in a father. On this Father's Day, I want my father to know that I care, I appreciate and I reciprocate the efforts he has put for me all these years. Thank you, Papa. I love you so much. Happy Father's Day to all dads, granddads, stepdads, foster dads, single moms and those who don't have a father. Remember always, dads are priceless. Thank you so much.